Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Mr. Colt Show. I'm Mr. Colt. I wanted to teach you kids the same things that my teacher taught me. My teacher's name was Mr. Rogers. Today I'm going to teach you about shapes real quick. So why don't we go head up to the whiteboard and do it. Hello boys and girls, this is my whiteboard. This is what I'll be teaching you on. Now, get all comfy. We have three basic shapes that you see in your everyday life. You have the circle. You say circle, and you spell that C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Then you have a square. And you say square. And that's spelled S-Q-U-A-R-E. Forgive me, I write a little big, but it's okay. That's alright, we all write in our own way. Then we have the triangle. And you spell that, I'm going to write it down here because it's a big word. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. And that's a triangle. And those are three basic shapes that you see in everyday world. I'm going to go ahead and erase this. Because we don't need it anymore for that. And then we have some more complex shapes. Or, sorry, that's a big word for you kids. We have some different shapes that are a bit more hard to pronounce and a bit bigger. There's, I'm not really good at drawing these ones, but there's the rhombus. And that, along with the square, I'm not really good at drawing, please excuse that, is 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. Wait, hold on. Hold on, I'm sorry. I'm a little confused, please forgive me. It has 4 sides. Now, then there is the octagon, which is 3, 4. No, wait, hold on, excuse me. Like I said, I'm not very good at an octagon. So we get the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an octagon. It has 8 sides. Now, you know where else you've seen an octagon? That's right, a stop sign. Then we have the, what was it? The rectangle, which is like a square, but it's longer. Now, that also has 4 sides, and this one has 8. Now, you'd be surprised how often we use shapes in the world, like houses and cups and everything, cards, basketballs, and even, to your stuffed animals and everything. Towels, those are rectangle. Now we're gonna go around my house and we're gonna see what shapes there are. So let's go. Let's start in my room. Now what shape is this? Can you tell me? That's right, a square. Can you tell me what shape the whiteboard is? Good job, a rectangle. Now, let's go walk around the house and see what shapes we can find. Do you know what shape the door is? Right, A rectangle. What shape is that plate? That's right, a circle. What shape are these? How many sides do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, so there are 3 squares there. Let's see what else we can find. Do you know what shape that is? Right here? Now, you probably said circle, but that's actually wrong. This is a different shape. It's called a sphere. And I'll get into that later. Now, can you tell me what shape that is? How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a square. Now, can you tell me what shape these are? Right? A square, a circle. Even I get confused, and that's okay. Well, boys and girls, we're gonna go outside, in the outside, so we can see what kind of shapes there are in the outside world. First, we need to get ready, because it's raining outside. So, we're gonna put our socks on, our nice warm socks, and we're gonna get our sneakers. And go outside and have a look around. What do you think? Alright, everybody ready? Let's go. Remember everybody, always put your hood on when you go outside in the rain. Turn off all your lights and electronics. Make sure you grab your key to your house if you have one, and make sure you ask your parents' permission too. So here we go, guys. What shape is that? Stop sign. That's right, it's an octagon. It's nice. It's always beautiful when it rains. Don't you guys think? It's always beautiful because somehow the world gets more quiet. You know what shape that is? A rectangle. Right. Let's see what other shapes we can find. Let's see, what else is there? There's another octagon. Back home, everybody. Got some cool shapes, didn't we? Let's unlock these doors. Make sure you shut the door. And when you come back in, you always want to make sure that you shut the door. Especially when you're home alone. Because you never know who's going to be at the door. So now, let's go back up. Now while I'm at it, since we have a few more minutes left, why don't I teach you about some numbers? You know how many numbers there are? Wrong. There are an infinite amount of numbers. Or numbers never end. They really don't. You can count as high as you want. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try in the 40s. 41, 42, all right? How about 90? 91, 92, 93, all right? Now, how high can you count? That's amazing. How about, let's see. Really, if you really try, you can never stop counting. Ever. You can go out to the millions, the billions, the trillions, and those are big for you. So we're gonna start with 1. And how you spell that is, let me move my camera. And you spell that with O-N-E. 1. Alright. How many numbers can you write? I'd love to know. That's awesome. And how about number 2? You got 2, and you spell that T-W-O. How about number 3? You spell that T-H-R-E-E. 3. Now how about, let me try to erase this quickly. Sorry. Please excuse me. How about number 4? F-O-U-R. 4. How about 5? F-I-V-E. How far can you go after that? Tell me how far you can go after that. How good are you at spelling? Well, next time, I'm gonna teach you how to do the alphabet. Alright, boys and girls. That's all the time we have for today because I'm actually sick with a cold. But I still wanted to do this for you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna go back to sleep so I can feel better, alright? You know when you're sick and you don't feel good? You wanna sleep? So, I'm gonna go back to sleep. I'll see you all next time though, okay? Next time, we're learning the alphabet. Good night, guys. And when you go to bed, make sure you got your stuffed animal too. Yeah. Even Mr. Colt has a stuffed animal that he sleeps with. And that's okay. So good night, guys.